Hey friend, are you in search of a system that can help you to keep track of your daily expenses? Well, this is Money Manager, a system that makes tracking expenses super easy. You can add and monitor your expenses, track your savings and paybacks, and much more. Here's what Money Manager comes up with. You can use the buttons to add info to the databases instantly. Just click on expense, then fill up amount, month, category, and that's it. Same goes for income and paybacks. To change the expense categories, go to Expense Database, right-click on Category Edit Property, and add or remove category according to your preference. To change the income sources, go to Income Database, right-click on Sources Edit Property, and do the same. Having an idea on the outflow of your money can help you to save more. You can use the charts to get an overview of your spendings of a month. You can also use the chart to compare the expenses of two different months. Use filters to get info about a specific category. Click on Add Expense button and select Wasted Money category for money you regret spending. You can select Wasted Money filter in charts to get an idea of what could be saved. Let's get to savings. Money Manager enables you to have a track of your monthly savings. To change your monthly savings goal, go to Databases Summary, click on Monthly Net, edit Property, and change the number to whatever you prefer. Payback is money that you have given to others and is expected to be returned to you. You can track all your paybacks at Money Manager in an organized format. Who can buy Money Manager? The answer is anyone who wants a simplified solution to track expenses rather than a complicated one. For example, students. Also remember, free plan of Notion allows only one chart per workspace. So if you already have a chart in your workspace, you need to get the Notion subscription to use the Money Manager chart view, or you can simply remove the other chart. Check out Money Manager by clicking on the link in description. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NoteCamp. Signing off.